Patrick coming to you today, and we're in ProTek's new shop. It's been a while since I've put a new YouTube video up. We've been in this mass construction phase for a year and a half to build this new shop that we're standing in right now. But we've got a few followers. We wanted to update you guys, let you know we've been pounding out some quality work, guys. You guys got to go over to our Facebook business page or our Instagram page and see what we've been able to accomplish in our new shop. We built this shop and just during this COVID-19, we opened it up just a few weeks before COVID-19 hit. And with the presentation and all of this new shop, it just came in a massive wave of business. And we struggled to keep up. It was tough. We're now starting to find our balance in the new shop. So as I find my balance, I'm going to get back after my YouTube videos. We've missed, unfortunately, some epic details that would absolutely just shock you guys in terms of quality of work and how in-depth we have went into some of these details. But you know, that's the price we pay. You know, business comes first, customer service, and quality work. Those are my big things. So outside of that, you know, my YouTube channel, my social media stuff, it gets put on the back burner, you know, because YouTube, social media doesn't create our business. That is not, it helps represent our business, but it is not our business. Our business is customer trust, quality work, and a happy customer, referrals, strong online presence in terms of the World Wide Web, things like that. That's where our business comes in. But we pride ourselves on quality work here, so when we get a vehicle dropped off and picked up, you know, we want a happy customer that will return. And after 11 years of following that motto, almost 12 years now, after 11 years, we just have repeat business. I mean, people buy cars, right? You know, we protect them, but people like to buy cars. And when people buy cars, they bring them to us. We're going to do enhancement polish. We're going to do ceramic coatings. We're going to do clear bronze. When I show you guys what we've got in this shop, man, y'all are going to trip because we're going undercarriages. We're going extensive interiors. I mean, we have built a facility that will accommodate our clients' needs and allow us, as you guys saw in our previous videos, we only did one car at a time in a residential garage, but we would keep a 45 to 90-day waiting list. That's for real, with deposits paid to get into that one car slot in my residential garage. So now, for management purposes, without spreading myself too thin, we like 3 cars at a time. So we usually have a massive clear bra job going, and this one is getting a nice clear brake spell Ultimate Plus clear bra application to it. As you can see, the front end's done. Brand new Model Y. Awesome experience to be able to protect this car. We also polished the paint. Only thing I got, the mirrors, if you can see over there on the side, the mirrors are custom wrapped. They're drying out right now before we trim them back. And then it's going to get a ceramic coating on it. But it went through this massive paint correction before it got over here into this room, which is our clear bra room. We still have some work to do in the shop. It's, you know, 90% finished for the most part. It's just little bits and pieces. But we do have a lot of cool stuff coming to you guys. I won't take up any more of your time. I just wanted to let you know we're still alive and we got a nice facility to start showing you guys our work. Y'all take care. Have a great day.